are pleased to show you the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, security system, compass, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, rear window defroster, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.